Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to see what's stored on your SIM card on an iPhone in 2025. Whether you're switching devices, troubleshooting, or just curious about your contacts and data, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your SIM card is properly inserted into your iPhone. If it's not, pop it in and restart your device to ensure everything syncs up. Now, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. That's the gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your iOS version in 2025. This might vary slightly, but look for the section related to your phone's network. Inside there, you'll find an option called SIM Applications or something similar. Apple has been improving SIM access over the years, so by 2025, it should be more straightforward. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of what's on your SIM card, like contacts, messages, or other data. If you're specifically after contacts, head over to the Contacts app. Open it up, tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines or dots, and look for Import from SIM. This will pull in any contacts stored on your SIM directly into your phone's address book. Pro tip: if you don't see these options, it could be due to your carrier or iOS restrictions. In that case, try connecting to iTunes or iCloud on a computer for a deeper dive. Remember, SIM cards primarily hold basic info like phone numbers and texts, so don't expect everything to be there. And just like that, you're all set. Viewing your SIM card's contents is easier than ever in 2025. If you run into any issues, double-check your iOS update or contact your carrier. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.